My name is Lorenzo from Russia. I'm in Kenya just to look for good women. Yes, madam. Happy Valentine. My name is Lorenzo from Russia.
Thank you.
Do you know this place?
This one.
Yeah.
This is Omu.
What is your name? My name is Lorenzo. What is your name? I'm from
Model.
Russia.
Model.
Mudeu.
Yes.
Can you go? Can you go home with me?
You want us to go?
Yeah.
You go. You give me money.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother.
Thank you, brother.
Yes, sister.
Yes.
My name is Lorenzo from Russia.
My name is Florence kutoka Russia.
Do you know this place?
Yes.
Can you go home with me?
Yes.
Go home with me then. Let's go. Let's go. Hello, sister.
Hello.
My name is Lorenzo from Russia.
Okay. You look good.
I look good.
Yeah.
I don't understand English well.
Don't worry.
Why are you buying those flowers, sister?
It's Valentine today.
Valentine.
Yeah.
Can you come get know my home?
Yeah, sure. We can go.
Yeah, let's go. Thank you, sister.
You're welcome.
You will pay those flowers, then I will refund you next year.
Okay.
Ona vile amefanya Mungu.
Lakini sio mzungu anatuchangia life.
Unasema nini? Atatuchangia maisha. Na wale kwanza walikuwa wananidhalau mimi. Vikamba wewe ndio maikamba. Asiaka.
Mimi nimesaoga. Tena mimi nimeng'ara sana. Tena huyo mzungu amejua kuweka. Nimeweka naweka mzuri. Nimesaoga nataka arudie tena.
Hope you're enjoying the ambience. Lorenzo from Russia.
Kwani uko umeorder food chicken in?
Let me cut.
Kwani hii mzungu umetumia bure apeleke hoteli nyingine?
No, from Mama that I'm coming. From Mama, you know.
Hata angetupeleka ngili.
Umetumia bure?